Hello guys. I'm gonna show you. Oh wait, no, don't come here yet. Okay, just don't come here yet. I'm gonna show you my cats and dogs. I have videos of them, and but I want an excuse to record this. And yeah, so this is Chelsea, the youngest. Oh my god, it's a cat meowing. Yeah, she's the youngest. Right? Oi. So one of the cats that we have is scratching up the couch. So it's the other cat, the middle of them all. Oh shoot! Oh dang it! It's the second youngest. Okay, come here. His name is Howard. Right? He's just like, wow. And here's the oldest of them all, Mitsu. Wait, buddy. And it's like every single one, and they're like, oh, near me. So, mom, my precious berries. Right?